Vibrant coral reefs, teeming with life, are vanishing at an alarming rate, and it's largely due to a phenomenon called coral bleaching. Today, we'll uncover the science behind this crisis and why it matters for our planet. Coral reefs support 25% of all marine life, providing food and livelihoods for millions. Bleaching isn't the coral dying directly, but a desperate response to stress, and understanding it is the first step to protecting these vital ecosystems. Coral gets its color from tiny algae called zooxanthellae, living within its tissues. These algae perform photosynthesis, providing the coral with food and oxygen. When water temperatures rise, corals expel these algae, revealing their white calcium carbonate skeleton, hence, bleaching. The primary culprit is rising ocean temperatures caused by climate change. Even a 1 to 2 degrees Celsius increase can trigger bleaching events. Surprisingly, corals can recover if conditions return to normal quickly, but prolonged heat stress leads to starvation and death. Did you know some corals are more resilient than others? Scientists are studying these supercorals to understand their unique adaptations, hoping to breed more heat-tolerant varieties. We'll explore how ocean acidification, another consequence of climate change, further weakens corals and complicates recovery in a future video. So, coral bleaching is a complex issue driven by warming waters, impacting the entire marine food web. It's a stark reminder of the urgent need to address climate change and protect our oceans. If you found this explanation insightful, give this video a like and subscribe for more science deep dives. Let us know in the comments what other ocean topics you'd like us to explore.